Caribbean states represents the unwavering spirit of the Caribbean people. It is therefore fitting that this historic occasion is being held in conjunction with the observance of Caribbean American Heritage Month, which recognizes the contributions and the achievements of our brothers and sisters of Caribbean origins, who call the United States of America home. As we reflect on the countless ways that the Caribbean Americans have and will continue to contribute to the ways of life of this great nation called America, let us always be mindful that the ties between the United States and the Caribbean is underpinned by a spirit of friendship, and that the recognition that we each share a stake in each other's success.
I applaud the CARICOM Consular Corps in New York for its efforts to strengthen the enduring bonds between the Caribbean and our global city and uplift members of the Caribbean diaspora in the 5 boroughs.
Raise your voices high and sing of your Caribbean pride. Sing it loud and strong. Feel our hearts beat as one. Celebrate this song as we rise to heights where we belong. Sound the victory drum. Whoa, CARICOM, hele, hele, bravo. What will you sing?